Panalo si Donald Trump sa presidential elections and panalo rin yung mga traders. Bakit kaya nanalo yung mga traders? Let me explain. Because Donald Trump is pro-Bitcoin and before his presidency, pro na siya sa Bitcoin and now naging president na siya, tumaas yung presyo ng Bitcoin. That's why maraming crypto traders ang nakasabay dito. And hindi lang yung Bitcoin, nakasabay din yung mga traders ng iba't ibang cryptocurrencies. Because fundamentally, pag umakyat si Bitcoin, aakyat din yung presyo ng iba't ibang mga coins. And hindi lang po mga crypto traders, also yung mga forex traders natin and people who also trade gold are affected and panalo din dito. Bakit sila nanalo? Let me explain again. Because of the US election or the presidential election, it created a lot of volatility in the US dollar. And pag volatile yung US dollar, which is the major reserve of the world, affected lahat ng currency. That's why a lot of people who made good trades after the announcement of the election, paldo and malaki yung gains nila in trading. So that's the reason why yung mga crypto traders, forex traders, gold traders, even yung mga stock market traders natin, panalo. To all traders na nakasabay and to all copy traders na nakasabay, congratulations.